An AI PC, short for Artificial Intelligence Personal Computer, is a computer system equipped with advanced AI capabilities. Unlike traditional PCs, AI PCs are designed to perform complex tasks and adapt to user behavior through machine learning algorithms. The primary advantage of an AI PC is its ability to understand and analyze human language, allowing for natural interaction through voice commands or chatbots. This opens up possibilities for hands-free multitasking, smart home integration, or even virtual personal assistants. Additionally, AI PCs excel at processing massive amounts of data, making them ideal for tasks such as data analysis, machine learning, or scientific research. However, before considering purchasing an AI PC, there are factors to ponder. Firstly, the cost can be significantly higher than a regular PC. Additionally, extensive AI use requires a learning curve, particularly with programming and customization. Furthermore, concerns around privacy and security may arise as AI PCs require data collection to improve their performance. In conclusion, an AI PC can revolutionize the way you interact with technology, providing advanced capabilities and streamlining your tasks. If you prioritize innovation, efficiency, and are willing to invest in cutting-edge technology, purchasing an AI PC might be worth considering, provided you are comfortable with the potential trade-offs. Physicists have achieved a major milestone in the field of quantum computing by demonstrating the existence of a new phase of matter known as non-abelian anyons. This groundbreaking discovery, made using a quantum processor, opens up new possibilities for the development of more powerful and efficient quantum computers. Anyons are exotic particles that behave differently than the more familiar fermions and bosons. Non-abelian anyons, in particular, are of great interest to physicists because of their potential applications in quantum computing and topological quantum field theory. By successfully demonstrating the existence of non-abelian anyons in a quantum processor, researchers have shown that these particles can be manipulated and controlled in a way that could lead to significant advancements in quantum computing technology. This could ultimately lead to the development of more powerful and efficient quantum computers capable of solving complex problems that are currently beyond the reach of classical computers. The discovery of non-abelian anyons represents a major step forward in the field of quantum computing and has the potential to revolutionize the way we process and store information. As researchers continue to explore the properties and behavior of these exotic particles, we can expect to see further advancements in the development of quantum computing technology in the near future.